Howdy everybody. Today we've got a fun special. I love doing specials. I love getting everybody into our website, CSI-Shine.com. You can see our brand new pad, wool on one side, foam on the other side. Very, very unique. And we're the only ones that I know of in the whole wide world that has that pad. I believe everybody and their brother will copy it, just like they copied this product right here. And I want to thank them. I want to thank those other companies for jumping on board and seeing that one single product really does work. It was so hard going into body shops 30 years ago, and I'm a body shop owner. And I'm opening the door on, Mr. So-and-so's body shop, and I'm just about getting thrown out the door. I don't want to see another polishing system. None of them work. They're all garbage. They all cause swirl marks. They make a mess in the shop. I'm like, no, our product is not like that. It's not like that. I'm a body shop owner just like you. And after a few sentences, they'd be like, okay, I'm going to give you 5 minutes back there. And if it's anything like all the other garbage products that are out there, you're out of here. Okay, all right, just 5 minutes. 2 hours later, we're still in the shop. Everybody's blown away that one single product could really do what it did. Obviously, this product has evolved since those original System 1 days, but it was so much fun. I flew all over the country. We built a business from Florida to Canada to up in, even down into Mexico. We were traveling all over the place. And the questions were all the same. Everybody had the exact same questions and the exact same remarks when I said you could do this with one product. It was hard. My dad, he worked for Earl Scheib in 1959. I was born in 1959. He needed a job. He started working there. And, this is where he would get his, all entrenched in the auto body industry. They didn't make a lot of money working at Earl Scheib, but they produced a lot of paint jobs. Couple dent fixing and, move it in the booth, paint it, and, they're doing it in one single day. They're fixing the dents, painting the car, and delivering it in one single day. I can't even imagine how hard that was, but this would get him into production. He would open his own body shop, and I worked there as a boy. You've seen all my videos, 10 years old, sweeping the floors, cleaning nuts and bolts, sharpening drill bits for the guys, all the typical things that somebody new in the business has to do. I didn't want to do it. I hated it. I couldn't believe that my dad was making me do those kind of things, but at the end of the week, I had more money than my friends. So I could go buy my mini bike. I could go buy my dirt bike. I could go buy my cars that I would restore as a teenager. And I drove them to school. I had 2 really, really nice cars as a teenager. So I am grateful that I had a dad who showed me the ropes on, yes, this business is very, very tough. And the reason I'm bringing up my dad is when I came out with this, when I first invented single product polishing, my dad was like everybody else. No way are you going to be able to tell me that one single product could really do what you're saying it could do. I'm like, Dad, you got to try it. So he tried it. My dad instantly became a huge promoter of System 1 all over Northeast Ohio. They knew my dad from the auto body trade. My dad had owned a business there. He worked at one of the dealerships, one of the big dealerships in Aurora, Ohio, and they knew how much my dad was backing up his son in something that was crazy. I mean, it was, you actually are causing these people to believe in something that you came up with. Today, all of the polish companies in the world have copied what we started. I don't believe they understand it though, because every single one of those companies, including 3M, still sells compound. And you know what we say to do with compound, right? Get rid of it. It just causes trouble. There's no compound that you will ever need if you're using this product. You don't need it. We do demos with taking out 600 grit. We do videos taking out 1500 grit. wool pad, foam pad, one single product. We look at it in the sun on show, artwork that, buddies do and paint, motorcycle gas tanks, the best helmet painters in the world. Helmet painters that get thousands of dollars to paint motorcycle helmets and all kinds of other kind of helmets. They get paid a lot of money to do that, and they don't want to destroy that artwork, so they use CSI. Thank you very much, artists that are out there. I appreciate your work, and there's nothing worse that could ever happen is to destroy your artwork buffing with compound, polish, and a glaze. And that happened to me many, many, many times. And then as I developed a body shop and had employees, I don't have time to go out there and buff, cars. I want those guys working at 8 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock at night, busting out all the jobs that we're doing, and I need them to come out right. Time and time again, when we were using multiple product systems, burning would happen. And I'm sure that every single one of you have a pit in your stomach as I'm speaking to you about something that just drove me absolutely insane. Why did our industry not figure this out? Why did I, as a body shop owner, have to go back to school and say, I don't want it to be anything like what's out there right now? And that was 1996. Thank God it turned into a business, and this is what we do today. We have fun selling this product. So today, I'm going to do a discount on our website, CSIShine.com, 30%. I've never done a 30% discount, but it's only on this combo pack. This is $202 per gallon. If you're a body shop that can take advantage of this, it's a 30% discount. So let's come up with a code. It's only going to be for I'll do it for 1 week. 2 gallons of CSI product, discounted 30%, okay? Actually, I won't even do a code. I'll make a separate login for this product on our website, CSI Shine, and it's only going to be up there for a short period of time. So you're going to go into CSIShine.com and look for the discounted 2 gallons of CSI product on our website and purchase it so that you can take advantage of a discount. Obviously, you're using a lot of polish in your shop, you're delivering a lot of cars, and I want to give you a reason to buy CSI. To continue to buy it, not buy from your jobbers. I don't think our jobbers can take care of this too. If they want, they can offer the same thing that I'm offering. They make plenty of money on our products, so they can offer you a 30% discount on these products too. Ask them to provide that. If they don't, then just buy from us. Just buy the product directly from us. It's only going to be for a short period of time, 30% off on 2 gallons of CSI Ceram-XX polish. I hope that you are enjoying the videos that we're doing up here on YouTube. Our YouTube station is just blowing up. I mean, I think we broke 200,000 last week. We'll probably be at 205,000, so another 5,000 subscribers this week. And that's all because of you guys. You want to see videos, you want to see, how to polish this or how to polish that, or maybe you just want to support CSI, and I want to say thank you. I never would have believed in a million trillion years that as I was learning how to work a hammer and a dolly and metal finishing, and my dad taught me lead work, that I would be sitting here as a salesman selling you what I believe is the best product for polishing anything. If it's a plastic that you need to polish, headlight lenses you need to polish, paint you need to polish, lacquer paint, works on piano surfaces, it works on guitar surfaces, one single product. Minimal dust and cutting power better than a compound. And here's why I say better. Because any of those big companies, they see me and, our product will beat yours. I go, let's race. Let's race. Let's do it in front of people. You pull out your buffer, I'm gonna pull out my buffer. Most of the time, the salesmen at these companies can't buff anyway, so I'm pretty sure they're never gonna take me up on it. But every once in a while, I get somebody, and we all have seen it in the auto body trade. This is all I've done. This is it. From cleaning bathrooms to selling polish in the auto body trade and everything in between, winning best paint at major car shows. It has been a blast, and I love every part of it. It's intense at times. It's nerve-wracking at times. It's difficult to hold on to profit, even though you're doing large volumes in the shop. But by the time you put all the layers of employees in on the project, sometimes it's hard to take away any kind of profit from that job. That's okay. That's just business. That's how it works out. So since 1980 in California, I have been in the auto body business. And today I still have that business. But when I'm polishing a car, I'm not doing it for fun. This is not something that I do that is just for fun. It's something I do for a living. And I want it, at the end of the day, when I go home, I want to say that I had fun in every aspect of it. And when I'm polishing with this product, it is actually fun because I know that I'm going to be able to go from cutting whatever I leave it in, and we recommend that you color sand to 2500. But if you color sand to 2000, that's okay. You just got to buff a little bit more. Buff until all the scratches are gone. Flip over the pad or use our single-sided pads and go to the foam pad, our red foam pad, our final pad, put a little bit more of this product on and finish it. Look at it in the sun, wash it off with whatever, soap, water, acetone, who knows. Wash it off with whatever you want, whatever you think will expose those scratches, and you won't see any scratches exposed. So I believe we have the best system. And the reason that I believe that we're continuing to evolve to be the best is we never say we need to come out with a compound. We need to come out with a compound because people aren't understanding the process. No. If you stay in this business long enough, you will understand the process of making money. And the more products that I have to buy, the more labor that I have to put into the project, the less money that I'm going to be making. So consider using one single product for everything, start to finish, and consider CSI, especially right now, with a 30% discount on CSI Ceram-XX polish in the dual gallon pack. All right? So thanks for listening. Thanks for checking us out. Go to the website, take advantage of this sale. 30% off at csishine.com. Thanks, everybody.